What's up, y'all? It's Akira, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this super cute hairstyle. Very Lisa Left Eye Lopez inspired, very TikTok inspired. If y'all like this style, just keep on watching. I'm going to show y'all how to do it. It's super easy, super fast. So yeah, let's just get started.
The tools and products you're going to need for this style are a blow dryer, scissors, a bristle brush, and a flat iron, as well as some hair glue, some hair wrapping strips, hair ties, some hair pomade or edge control. I use both, and 2 synthetic bundles of your choice, whatever color, and then at least like a few inches of a human hair track that you can use for your bangs. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting this look out with my hair already sectioned. You're basically just going to want to split your hair down the middle, all neat, in 2 ponytails, and then leave some space out for your bangs. And then you're just going to mold your hair into 2 really sleek ponytails. You can put them up as high or low as you want, depending on where you want the ponytails to sit. The next thing you're going to do is braid those ponytails into 2 braids. Super simple. And once you look like Cindy Yoo-hoo, whatever her name is from The Grinch Stole Christmas, that's how you know you're done. Now you're going to take that tissue wrapping paper and you're going to, the hair tissue wrapping paper, whatever you want to call it, and you're going to wrap your braid with it. And while you do that, you're going to use the hair glue to get it to stick together so it doesn't move. So it don't move, and you're going to use the blow dryer to dry it. So you're going to do that all down your braid. This is going to take a little second because you want it to be neat, and then this is the base for the ponytail, so you don't want it moving on the braid or nothing. You want it to stay in place. So put the glue at the bottom, at the top, everywhere, and make sure that it's dry. And yeah, you just want it to be molded and perfect and super neat. Okay, look at me. I'm over here dancing because I'm so happy that I did one side of my hair already. But now we're going to get into the actual ponytail. So you're going to take your synthetic bundle. You're going to take it out the package and unravel it like I'm doing here. And then after that, you're going to put some of that hair glue on your little wrapped braid. And you're going to stick the track to the glue. So you're going to like go back and forth between the hair dryer, the glue, and wrapping, like all together, because one thing I learned with doing this style a few times is that you want the glue to be a little wet while you're sticking the track on it rather than it being dry. So you're going to do that all the way up to the top of the ponytail, and then you're pretty much done. This is the part of the hairstyle that takes, I think, the longest because you want it to be neat. But don't try to like overlay the tracks. You kind of want them to each sit individually like above each other as I'm doing here. Okay, so after that, you're going to straighten the hair that you left out in the front of your head. Just make sure it's really straight, as flat as literally can be, because you want it to look neat and you want it to match the track that you're going to put there. And then after I did that, I took some of that hair glue and I put it on my forehead like an idiot. But after that, I parted my hair and then I put the glue between the part and then I glued the track there. And then after that, I cut the bangs. And this, when I first wore the hairstyle, I had the bangs kind of long and I had 2 pieces on the sides. But after a few days, I cut them shorter. My friend Camille actually helped me. Shout out to Offbeat Look. She had me looking real cute. So yeah, I wore this hairstyle for like a week. And while I had it, I also wrapped some of the track hair around the base of the ponytail, and then I also use braiding hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail. So you can do that too if you like this look a little better, because like look at how tea it is. I just love it. It came out so cute.
Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you like this hairstyle and you want to see more like hairstyle videos, I can totally do that on my page. So yeah, just comment down below any styles y'all want me to try and I will totally do it. See y'all later with another video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.